I did not grow up camping, but I wanted to change those family dynamics. I wanted to challenge myself to be able to do something different. That difference has brought us here. And to find out that you do love something, it's phenomenal. My name is Demetrius Scott, and we're in the Finger Lakes region with me and my family enjoying the great outdoors. For us, getting out of debt and being able to live life differently put us in a position to be able to fulfill our fantasy of going camping and seeing different things, seeing nature. Okay.
That's a masterpiece.
Best day ever.
It was a first time hiking for Mary and Milan. They haven't been out in places like Watkins Glen. So to be able to go under the waterfalls and experience those things.
Yeah, can you see, baby?
Just seeing the joy on Milan's face was second to none because I know that I was part of it. That's why I have the best uncle shirt on that she gave me. It's perfect. All about nature. This is what camping is all about.
I love it. Awesome.
There's so many different aspects of life that we take for granted because we're not paying attention to it. So when you be able to look at the small things, it opens up the big opportunities that the world presents to us. To see the fireflies that comes out of the woods and just light up, you know, for her to run to try to catch them and touch them. And
look at that. Look, baby.
She'll be able to experience these things and enjoy it and appreciate nature for what it is instead of being afraid of it.
Nature, you can't beat nature. That is so cool, man.
Just because you maybe was raised or brought up a certain way to where your family didn't do it, your parents didn't do it, you could be able to be the difference in changing your family dynamics. It's such a wonderful gift, and there's nothing in the world like it.
Today is the day that we finally did it. High five. We made it to camping.